the ROG Azoth 75% wireless mechanical keyboard.
It is probably one of the best gaming keyboards out there.
Out of all the gaming keyboards from big brands I've seen so far, this is probably the most pleasing to my eyes at least.
The biggest bling on the keyboard, of course, is that 2-inch OLED screen.
Probably the coolest thing about the Azoth. Does Speed Nova make that big of a difference? Can you imagine? A custom enthusiast kind of keyboard with really good gaming features and ultra fast wireless connection?
The wireless performance is bulletproof.
The Azoth has the same latency in wireless mode as in wired.
The wireless here is very, very fast. So responsive.
Battery life on this thing is super impressive.
2000 hours battery life. Well, I don't know what to say. It stays on for almost 3 months. Just crazy.
Switches, it's really good. The typing experience feels like a premium product.
And it has 3 additional sound dampening layers for a very pleasant sound experience.
They even put extra sound dampening under the spacebar. This far exceeds what I would expect from a gaming keyboard.
These stabilizers are the best. They're factory lubed and incredibly smooth with basically no ticking.
The ROG Azoth has amazing stabilizers, which I hope that many other companies will also follow this direction.
And holy moly, this is the most impressive accessory package I've ever seen.
That's the best feature, is the fact that this is hot swap, so I can put any switch that I want to put in this board and have my perfect customized gaming experience.
Essentially, ROG made an enthusiast level gaming keyboard that allows gamers to also get a taste of higher end customs.
It's definitely a league above every other gaming keyboard on the market.
If any big peripheral brand came to me and wanted to develop a flagship keyboard that would appeal to the widest audience and Hall effect wasn't on the table, this is what I would build.